Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I am so happy and I've got new thing to show you. My apron with my name on it, my channel name on it, Cook with Victoria. I hope you can see it very well. Cook with Victoria, yeah, courtesy of Golden Stitches 22. She's based in Lagos, Nigeria. You can get your stuff when you send it to her, your clothing, send it to her, she'll design it for you. You can get it anywhere in the world. She will send it to you. And you can check her Instagram page out at Golden Stitches 22. At Golden Stitches 22. Check her out. God bless you, Golden Stitches 22. Thanks for your support. Love you. Let's go on to today's video. Today's recipe is so special to me because it's going to tell you where I am from, my origin. It is called Ikokore. Ikokore elelo. Yeah, oúnjẹ wa ní Ijebu. Ijebu with Ikokore. Ikokore with Ijebu. In Ijebu, whether from Ijebu Shagam, Ijebu Remo, Ijebu-ode, Ijebu Peru, anywhere in Ijebu land. When you're having a party and you have not made Ikokore, no matter how many varieties of food you have, you've not done anything. Yeah, because we're going to make Ikokore today. And for this recipe, I have some things to show you, the ingredients we're going to use. I have here salt. Ogiri. Ogiri is fermented egusi. Melon seed is fermented. When you want to make original Ikokore Ijebu, you have to put ogiri. We have dried chilli powder, shrimps, crayfish, palm oil, Maggi crayfish cubes. I have more assorted beef, assorted meat. Anything you want to put in, you have more shaki, chicken, turkey gizzard, beef. Anything you want to put in is there. Then the fish, I have palamu. Original Ijebu Ikokore, we have palamu, agbodo. Then I have smoked catfish and smoked banla. Also, I have with me mackerel fish, and I have water yam. Without water yam, there is no Ijebu Ikokore. You cannot use puna yam because puna yam will give you asaro. That is a yam porridge. But for original Ijebu Ikokore, it is water yam. Before we move on, I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing and joining this great cooking team. But if you have not yet subscribed and you are still watching, please do by clicking on that button, the subscribe button and the notification bell, as this will make you to be notified each time we upload new videos. Dede ọmọ Ijebu, but say wo ebo de je ka se Ikokore ni Ikokore lelo oúnjẹ wa Ijebu. What I've just said in my native language is that everyone from Ijebu land, where are you? Come, let's cook this food. This is our own native food. And it doesn't mean that if you are not from Ijebu, you should not know how to cook. It's very delicious. Honestly, I'm telling you the truth, it's very delicious. You will just resign from wherever you are from and you say, I belong to Ijebu. Let's go on. To a pot, I've added some water and I've added 2 teaspoons of chili pepper, the powder. I've added 2 tablespoons. I don't want it to be too spicy, but if you have stock water from maybe your meat that you boiled, the beef, the chicken, yeah, you can add if you want to. But I'm just using ordinary water and I'm mixing my ogiri, the fermented egusi, with water, and I'm going to be pouring it in to cook. Ogiri will give it this authentic Ijebu taste that when you eat it, you know, yes, this is from 100% Ijebu. I'll be adding the shrimps, crayfish, see, I'm adding this one too, the mackerel fish. All this will go in so that they will give their flavor, release that flavor into the water. Stir together, and I'll allow them to cook. I'll reduce the heat to very low heat, allow them to cook, and while they are cooking, I'll put some crayfish seasoning to it. This is going to be yummy. I'm proud to be an Ijebu woman. You know, Ijebu women, we are very industrious, beautiful. Oh Lord, God bless all Ijebus. So if you are not from Ijebu and you are privileged to marry us, you are blessed. Even those who are from Ijebu that have married us, you are blessed. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of palm oil, like one, let me say 5 tablespoons of palm oil. Yeah. I will leave this to simmer for a while, and while this is simmering, low heat, I'm going to be covering it, and I'll move on to the yam, the water yam, to show you how it is done. I'll be using 1.5 of this water yam. You can get your water yam, so beautiful. You can get your water yam from Afro-Caribbean store. So I'll be cutting them and chopping them into slices. I will show you how it looks. I finished peeling the yam, but I discovered that some of the yam is spoiled, so I decided to use the 2 tubers of yam, water yam. So I have 2 ways of doing it. Be very careful, water yam can be so itchy if you allow it to go on your body. So the first part is, you want to grate it. You can use your grater and use this side of the grater, not this side of the grater. This one is big, but this one is fine. See? It's going to come out nice and smooth. See it? This is how it looks like when you use your grater. But I will not be using my grater. I'll be using my blender. Using the grater is the traditional way, but you can use your blender to be faster. It's going to save you from itching your body, because if this my hand should go on my skin, oh, it's going to be very itchy. I'll be back to show you how I'm going to use my blender. So I cut it out like this. I diced the yam, the water yam, and I'll be putting them in my blender. I just tested my blender, it's okay, yeah, and it's okay. I'm going to put them there. No need to add water because it is water yam, but if your yam is a bit dry, you can add just a little bit of water to it. Let's go on. So little by little, don't be in a rush. I'm stirring it in. I'm stirring together so that it will be able to blend. I don't want to add any water. can see it, very smooth, it's coming out. So I'm going to blend everything and I'll show you how it is. This is the final one. You can see how beautiful it is. But if you don't have a blender that can handle it, don't forget you can use your grater. And if the yam is a bit dry, you can add water, just a little bit of water. Just the best thing to do is to test your blender with the yam that you are using. Now I'm going to be adding just 1 teaspoon of salt. This will enhance the flavor. It's optional, but I like it. That's the way my mom used to do it. Or that's the way she does it, because my mom is alive and kicking, to enhance the flavor. Then after this, we go and put it in the pot. Let's check our pot full of the protein. Now what I'll be doing is I will take all this out so that it doesn't settle at the bottom of the pot when I put my yam there. So I'll make sure everything is out, but I'm still going back when it is time. I've taken all the protein out, the beef, the pomo, everything inside the water. I've taken it out. I've tasted for salt, everything is okay. So what we're doing now, at this point I'm going to add the ground crayfish. Stir in. This is going to be great, I tell you. We have 2 options here. One, you can use spoon to put this in as you do your puff puff, or you can use hand. I'm going to be using my hand. Just put it in. No more use of spoon at this moment, because we don't want the yam to be scattered. We want them in like ball. You keep on doing this. You can use your spoon if you want, but I prefer to use my hand. Now I told you this is my native food. My best food in the whole wide world. So you keep on doing this and till everything is finished. This is Ikokore. Wow. Yummy. Wash your hands, pick up your spoons, your cutlery, come over, join us, you are invited. You see, I've finished putting the yam in it in form of ball shape. I'm adding just a little bit of palm oil. Then I'm going to cover this up to allow it to cook. And while this is going on, I will do the fish, the mackerel fish. I'm going to take away the bones, and when it is almost ready, we'll come back to show you. Low heat. I want to check now. I haven't stirred for about 10 minutes. It's been on low heat. Oh my days. See the oil. See it? It's coming up. So I'm going to use my wooden spoon. Oh my days. It's sticking up now. Oh, this is so inviting. And I'm going to pour in these bad guys in the protein I took out. The crayfish, all the orishi, the go, the baby neck. Then gently I'll stir them in. Why I did that was because I don't want any of them to settle. down, because if you leave them and you put the water yam on them, they're going to settle under and they're going to get burnt easily, and it's not going to circulate around. But with this method, every bite you take, oh my days, these bad boys are going to be massaging your jaw for you. You see the color? Oh. It's done already, but I want to make sure it's 100% done. If you don't like the balls like this, you can just keep on stirring and everything is going to be mixed together, but I prefer some balls to be there. And if you don't like it this thick, you can add water, because when it is cold, it's going to get thicker. All the Ijebus, where are you? It's done. Everybody is invited, even if you are not Ijebu. Shagamu. Yeah, that reminds me. I'm going to ask a question now. Somebody said, and I quote, I'm a Shagamite. Who is the person? If you know, give your answer in the comment section. I'm not promising any gift or no. I don't even have any gift to give, but I just want to know how current you are. And this guy is from Shagam, yeah. He's a boxer and is known all over the world. Pam, I've not let out the cat. I'm not saying anything more. Just tell me who the person is. This is so nice. You see it? Let me give it a taste. Yeah. This is wonderful. I'm going to leave it for just 2 minutes to simmer so that everything will be well incorporated. If you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bell. This will make you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you like what you see so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. After 2 minutes, we'll see how it goes. Hi guys, you see it? Ikokore, and in Ijebu, we serve it with eba. Actually, you would have made the eba yesterday night, and for it to get very cold to eat with it. So this eba is cold, and this is our Ikokore. You can see the mackerel, all the rich in it, the protein in it. So you can either eat it just like this, it's still very hot, or you can just take the eba and go like this. See? God is good. He has done me well. That is what the Ikokore will do, to make you serve to praise God. Try this at home. Let me know how it went with you. And you can send in your pictures into my Instagram through my Instagram page. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to comment, like it, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Ikokore is sweet too. Till next time, bye.